Problems. Something wrong with my gears. I'm nicking that idea.
Improvised.
You know what? So it reminds me of Normandy beaches.
Yeah.
Cider. Thing I don't have is internet. Means you've got to talk to each other, Tony.
What?
Hey folks, how are you doing? Hope you're well. It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. Just heading along the Isle of Axholme, the Greenway towards Scunthorpe. I'm going back for another bikepacking adventure. This time I'll be joined by my good friend Tony Clarkson, who you will have seen on the channel. And if you're new to the channel, you would have missed that video. Myself and Tony went to the Yorkshire Dales. I promised him an easier ride. That's why we're going to the Lincolnshire Wolds. Sure, it can be tough, but I'm going easy on him this weekend. Let's see what he has to say about that later on. Also, if you're new to the channel, not only do I go on bikepacking adventures throughout the year, I also dabble in some ultra races. That really started in 2022. We race around the Netherlands and the Transcontinental race, both in the same year. Gone on to all things like the Pan-Celtic race and All Points North last year. So if you stick around on watching the channel long enough, you will indeed see me sleeping under hedges. And well, previously I'd sleep in like bush shelters. Don't do that so much anymore. Anyway, before I get to the Lincolnshire Wolds, I'm meeting up with Tony. We're going about halfway. We're meeting up at what used to be Clayton's Corner in Howsham. It's about halfway between where I live in Crowell and where he lives on the coast in Grimsby. So I've got the better deal though. I've got tailwind all the way, and yes, this is the remnants of Storm Lillian. So I was actually concerned I won't get through here, and well, I haven't yet. With all that in mind, let's go on a bikepacking adventure. Tell you what, despite the wind, which Tony is a tailwind mate, it is really warm, surprisingly warm. And this glorious gravel down here reminds me I've got a glorious gravel event next weekend. Why am I telling you right now? Because it's in Lincolnshire. I'm a Lincolnshire yellow belly. I'm really proud of the area that I ride in. Oh, and I'm really proud of a video I put out a few weeks ago. Over 4,000 of you already watched that video, commented, giving it the thumbs up, and hopefully a few of you have subscribed to the channel as well. Really pleased that a lot of you watched that video. There we are. Haven't completely got away scot-free with that wind. You never do you? You always got to put it at some point. And this is me putting up with it as I've left Birmingham. Thankfully, there's only a couple miles of it. If you remember anything of Storm Lillian at all, today is Friday, so Saturday, yes, there's going to be rain tomorrow. Hopefully not much of it. Oh, problems. I'm just heading back now. Something wrong with my gears. I can't go down. I can only go up. So just push the cassette. Well, just push the derailleur. So the chain is on the middle cassette. But yeah, I can't be doing that all weekend, can I? So oh, it's just gone down now. Oh, it only go down one. Oh. Well, it's just pushed up to the hardest gear now. So right, I'm headed home, and what the plan is, I'm going to go home, jump on the mountain bike. Yeah, I know. The headwind's got me. Oh. Perhaps I shouldn't have taken the piss and it would have snapped. I'm literally going to take loads of stuff off the bike, took my mountain bike in the van, sort it all out when I get there. So finally off and away. Picked up Tony, he's just in front of me as you saw. I'll speak to him in a second. We just started in market raising just to get the mileage down a little bit as a result of that last minute change of plan. So right now we're just heading well, we're not heading towards TLB, we're going to just go straight on through the woods at Willingham, some more woods, and then on to well, another set of woods at the end of this ride on Friday. So how are we doing, Tony? Sorry to keep you waiting at the beginning of this.
It's alright, fella.
We're out of the way, we're on the way.
We're on the way.
Yes folks, that is a little milk holder, especially bought from AliExpress.
That's a milk dispenser.
That's brilliant that. I'm nicking that idea.
Improvised.
So I'm on the mountain bike. It's looking like I got a mountain bike, isn't it? What do you reckon, folks? Is my mountain bike lighter than everything on Tony's bike? I think so. So what's different on your bike since we last met at the did the Yorkshire Dales together? What's new?
The wheels.
Yeah.
Because I wrecked the wheel, didn't I?
You did.
The rear wheel was shot.
Your brakes were full, knackered, weren't they?
Yeah, I've got new brake block sets in. New derailleur hanger because that was bent. Wasn't lined up properly.
You got new tyres on, yeah?
Well, they came with the wheels. I picked up some second-hand wheels
on
eBay for about £54.
They're a lot wider.
The tyres are worth £40 on the road. Do you know what I mean?
You're king of the bargain, aren't you, girl?
Well,
keeping an eye out. Yeah, so they're a lot wider tyres last time. I think you was on 33 or something.
I think there were 35.
Yeah, it was a bit.
These are 35 front and a 40 rear. That's the slowest cafe in England. Do you remember last time we went there? You came on that Sunday run.
Did we forget at wait? Did we? We got fed up waiting.
Yeah, you came on the Lindsay Road ride. We went to that cafe and we were there an hour and a half, trying to wait to get served.
It's a wonderful evening. It's a beautiful evening. Yeah, we're into the golden hour. We've got about 5 miles to go, and that's about it. Picked out some nice woodland. Movie bag camping this weekend. Both of us, we have coordinated our efforts. I feel like going through this on a mountain bike.
Yeah, you got your camera out?
Yeah.
Was it?
First time in a long time go through it.
There's another one.
There is. I'll let you go ahead. You can see how deep it is first. Yes, it's fine. I must say sorry, because I didn't bring my drone with me this weekend. Figured it's going to be too windy. It's a small little baby drone, so it doesn't like the wind. It's more beautiful in real life than it is, because right in the centre of the picture, folks, is again the Belmont transmitter, but cannot see at all on the screen.
It's a nice little bell, isn't it?
Yeah, beautiful. So I was saying it was as we look across, it's like a carpet of whatever that plant is. It's beautiful. You know, I wish I brought my drone with me now, but
well, it's just
there's no wind, is there? It's beautiful, but have I got room? No. Come out with this trip with well, I normally bring this anyway, but I bought my frying pan. I'm going to have some steak. Yeah. Well, we're about 3 miles to go. Let's get over there, I think.
I don't think it's going to collapse.
You know what? So it reminds me of Normandy beaches.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we found ourselves in the woods, not too far from Market Stainton, just off the main road through Donington on Bain, really. So we're going to have some food soon. Have that steak. Got some pasta as well. Got some asparagus. Got some crisps. Got some Brothers cider. The thing we don't have is internet. Live without internet for a few hours. Means you've got to talk to each other, Tony.
What? God.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you very much. We have it, bit of tomatoey pasta as well on top. Beautiful.
Yeah, they're my camouflage socks.
Labour's got a plan to get Britain moving again. The biggest cock around the corner. Been another one hiding around behind the sign just there as well. Shriveled up and tiny. Hello, and the question is, when you've been riding a bike, have you ever like had a week?
While riding?
Whilst riding. Have you never done that?
You're all dirty.